But yeah, let me claim my status because I'm #1 on the leaderboard right now. Anyways, cheers. And I feel like people are trying to come for my spot.
Need y'all to go get that distinctive in the fire.
Yeah, make sure you tap in.
It's about to drop these.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl and I come back with another video. What's up? I miss you guys. How have you been? You know, it's Friday night. I had a long work week. I'm not even gonna lie. How was your guys' work week? Does anybody else feel like this week was just so long and like tiring for no reason? But I'm finishing up getting ready. I am going bowling tonight with my brother and my cousin. I'm excited to have fun. You know, it's Friday, start of the weekend. We going in with a good vibe. So it's currently, you guys probably can't see, but it's 7:16. I'm trying to hurry up. Yeah, so we're just gonna have a little chit chat. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. First of all, this shirt is really annoying. Like the shirt, the shoulders part keeps falling down, and I don't know, maybe I just don't have on the right bra, but this is a shirt that I wanted to wear. So, and I need to order some new clothes. Why was it so hot these past 2 days? I was not expecting it to be hot because it was just windy last week, and I have no clothes, but I need to do some shopping. Anyway, I got these at Burlington. You know Burlington's my store, for $5.99. And they're so cute. So I'm about to use this real quick to wash my face. Which one should I use? They're both cute. This one matches me, but this one is so cute. Which one? I'm gonna just go with this one. We can save this one for later. And my hands are already clean because I just got out of the shower. But I need like a new facial cleanser because every time I try a new cleanser, it breaks my face out. So I just stick to what I know. I've been using Noxzema, but I feel like sometimes it's a hit or miss. I was just so greasy today all day at work. It was so hot. This witch hazel is what keeps all the little bumps and the little blackheads off of my face. And I want to do like a more in-depth skincare routine because my nighttime routine is a little different. And I'm rushing right now, but these are definitely my staple products. I also like the Mario Badescu toner. That works really good, the rose water one. But I'm just letting my face dry, and I'm about to hurry up and figure what I'm gonna do to this hair. Yo, I've been so indecisive if I should get braids. Should I keep wearing my real hair out? Because my hair been growing. It's been growing, but at the same time, I want to do a protective style. Okay. Let me hurry up because I'm getting distracted. This is some brightening serum. This is brightening serum that I got from Target, and I liked how it worked, honestly, but I didn't like the cleanser from this brand. But I feel like this brightening serum definitely does what it's supposed to do. I'm just putting this lotion on my face real quick. Ooh, and I just dropped lotion on the floor. Let me figure out what I'm gonna do with this head. Definitely need to wash it. I'm gonna wash it probably tomorrow, but for now, it's going in a bun, but it is getting long. I think when it gets a little longer, I wanna cut it, not a lot, but at least cut it to be even. Because right now it's not even at all, but let me fix this part. So I am putting a little bit of this grease, not too much, because my hair is like already getting greasy and stuff. But If you didn't use that grease when you were a kid, then I don't know what to tell you. And I love how it smells. And I'ma just brush. It's too motherfucking stiff. And I'm gonna hurry up. Y'all, tell me why. Let me see if I can find my claw clip. Hold on. This is terrible. I found my claw clip and it broke. Like, look at it. But you know what? It's gonna have to zip. Bro, it just broke again when I clipped it in my hair. That is embarrassing. But you know what? It still worked. It's still holding my head. So, and I'm gonna get a new one. But for now, baby, it's gonna get the job done. We all good to go. Let me put some lip gloss on. Let me show you guys my favorite perfume. It's called Bare by Victoria's Secret, right? You could get it online, you could get it in the store. It smells so good. I'm telling you, this bottle, like, I swear I haven't even had it for a month yet. Like, I'm using it so much, and every time I walk past somebody, they be like, what perfume you got on? I swear, like, 3 people went and bought it. Only on the seeds of his breeze, red ruby, the sleeves, Chinese on my, she wanna be Chung-Li. She wanna be Chung-Li. I don't even know if I said the right words, y'all, but I got to the bowling alley. I'm still waiting for my brother and my cousin. They're coming together, so I'm waiting for them. But yeah, they wanna be Chung-Li. Let me stop playing. It feels so good outside. Like, I thought it was gonna be real sticky because of how hot it was earlier, but it actually feels really good. So I'm about to walk in here and I'm gonna just chill. I'm gonna see if I could get like a little snack or something to drink while I wait for them in the meantime. And hopefully it's not packed in here, because it be getting packed a little bit. But yeah, what you guys got planned going on for how you gonna spend your weekend? Are you gonna go party? Are you gonna stay in the crib? What you gonna do? Catch a vibe? Can I have a Malibu Bay Breeze? Yep. I'll do a double shot.
Okay. Yeah, every time I do a single, they're like, oh, you can't really taste the alcohol.
Yeah, I'll do a double. I'm trying to win when I start playing tonight. This gonna be my secret weapon. I'm the only one who could drink, so they not ready. If you seeing this, just know I'm about to win. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you want to start a time, just close it out right away.
I'll close it. If you guys don't get a Malibu Bay Breeze when you go out, or just in general, you're missing out. This is the best drink ever.
The ones that were all mixed up.
Why they do my shoe like that? Look at my clown shoes. I seen a meme and it said going on a bowling date is so embarrassing, because why they got these clown shoes though? Got me another drink, because they take it so long. And I'm already feeling it, and I got this whole thing. Anyways, cheers. They always ID me. Finally. Y'all, they took forever. I'm already 2 drinks in. This is a secret weapon though. I'm about to beat you guys with this drink right here. Y'all don't even know. And they can't drink, so. All right, let me see. I need like a small one. 10. 8. I think I could do 8. Or like a 7. What you got, 12? I got me an 8 ball. And please let them know that I'm about to beat them badly. Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm first. I'm first on the board. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, bro.
I don't know. He might give us a run. Ooh. You bowl it to the side.
See.
I'm 2 drinks in, and I'm leading the scoreboard. So.
That's your second one?
Yeah, that's my second one.
Yeah.
Tell them how you feeling right now. You feel like you gonna win?
I'm up, you know what I'm saying? I'm teetering now. I'm about to win, take the...
I got faith in it. These last 4.
Ooh.
Oh, see, she blew my faith.
It was just a warm up.
That was the warm. You see the numbers? You see the numbers?
Wait.
Just show them the job. I turned up, bro. Yeah. They was talking loud.
What did you just do? He scored a...
I just had a strike last time, and I just hit all pins except 1.
I feel like you cheating now.
Now we cheating at the bowling alley. That's crazy.
Let me claim my status because I'm #1 on the leaderboard right now, and I feel like people are trying to come for my spot, but the crazy thing is nobody could come for my spot.
Bro, they're both losing and they're talking crazy.
I'm in my own lane. Nobody can come for my spot. Now watch this. Yeah, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I just scored a strike. Let's see. Ooh. He still got some points up there. But look who's still on the leaderboard though.
How many years has it been?
Okay. It's coming down, down, down. Ooh.
She sold the club.
Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. I don't even know if they can see me. Spare me. Okay. That was close.
A little bit.
Okay. He put a spare on the board. You still not beating me though.
One more round.
Y'all gotta catch up, man. Ooh. That was sideways. That don't count. That don't count. That one was sideways too. Now everybody just bowling air balls. Okay, okay. It's coming down to that time.
Feel a strike.
What's up? What you gonna do? You gonna put some numbers on the board? Oh, he did say it too. He did say it too. That's crazy. I don't like that. Oh, it's my turn again. I don't like that. Here. you feeling? How you feeling?
I took the I'll get it back.
What? You cheated, bro.
Dog. Took a dog.
You cheated. You cheated. And my camera's about to die too. See, that's how I know you cheated.
Everything's on film, man.
That's how I, yep, no, he cheated. Comment down below if he cheated. Anyway, this is the end of the game. What?
What happened to that cheat code?
Listen, it was a cheat code, but my camera's about to die. Anyway, so
Man,
he won the game, but
I won the game. I need y'all to go get that distinctive in the fire.
yeah, make sure you tap in.
About to drop these.
Wait, let me turn it around. Tap in, tap in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Make sure you guys go check out his brand. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Love you guys.